I know you love products and gadgets that enhance your home, so we know you're going to love this video, especially the latest gadget. Magnus Smart Tech is much more than a simple bed system. It's a revolutionary invention that you must see. Imagine waking up every morning feeling refreshed and ready to face the day, all thanks to the accurate information Magnus Smart Tech provides about your sleep. With its advanced monitoring technology, Magnus Smart Tech tracks a wide range of data while you sleep. From the quality of your sleep to your heart rate and breathing, every aspect of your nightly rest is analyzed to provide you with valuable insights into your health and well-being. Do you like to read before going to bed? Or maybe you need to relax your muscles after a long day? With Magnus Smart Tech, you can easily adjust your mattress position to suit your specific needs at any given moment. And that's not all, because what comes next takes innovation to a whole new level. Ready to be amazed again? Immerse yourself in a unique experience by making coffee and tea with the Joy Resolve Barrister alarm clock, an unconventional invention that defies expectations. This device not only wakes you up with the enticing aroma of freshly brewed coffee or tea, but also adds a touch of elegance to your morning routine with its exquisite craftsmanship. Meticulously crafted from handcrafted wood and blown glass, the Barrister is more than just an alarm clock. It's a functional piece of art for your home. Imagine waking up every morning to the gentle sound of water heating and the stimulating aroma of coffee or tea filling the air around you. With the wake up and brew function, the barista ensures that your day starts in the most pleasant way possible. In addition to being an alarm clock, it is a master of personalized beverage preparation. With the Brew on Demand feature, you can enjoy your favorite coffee or tea at any time of the day. Plus, the built-in milk fridge ensures you always have fresh ingredients for your drinks. Amazing, right? But get ready, because what comes next is even more amazing. This next tool will leave you speechless. Securam, one of those remarkable inventions that changed the world, is proud to offer a wide range of state-of-the-art security products designed to protect your most valuable spaces and belongings. From door locks to access control systems to electronic and biometric safe locks, these solutions are at the forefront of security technology. With features such as wireless connectivity, remote programming, and specially tailored dynamic OTC systems for ATMs, they're committed to providing products that meet the highest standards of quality, reliability, and technology. But it doesn't stop there. We've taken home security to the next level with the Securam Guard app. This intuitive app simplifies the setup of smart devices and offers a simple and user-friendly experience. It lets you monitor your home and belongings from anywhere, anytime, with total convenience and peace of mind. And thanks to its carefully crafted design and use of premium materials and components, we guarantee long-lasting and reliable protection for your loved ones and your most valuable possessions. If you were impressed by what you just saw, wait until you see the next tool. I assure you it will be even more impressive. This innovative massage chair features a unique design that is specifically designed to provide an unparalleled massage experience. What really sets it apart are the independent leg massagers that allow for differentiated movement of the left and right legs. This feature provides a new level of flexibility and exceptionally effective stretching with asymmetrical movements, ensuring deep muscle relaxation. With 87 pillows offering compression and tapping modes and a triple foot massage with rollers, this chair provides comprehensive and precise coverage of every part of the body. It also features precise adjustments that allow you to tailor the massage to your individual preferences. The quick on-off function for each body area streamlines the process and allows you to enjoy the massage comfortably and quickly. Heating built right into the massage balls provides soothing warmth to the calves and soles of the feet, while thigh muscle stimulation provides an additional stretching effect for further relaxation. In addition, the weightless position is known to relieve joints and muscles. As if that weren't enough, what comes next is a true technological marvel. Prepare to be amazed. Luba AWD revolutionizes lawn care by eliminating the need for buried cables or complicated setups. This innovation, with its advanced built-in navigation system, is capable of mapping your yard and setting cutting zones accurately and efficiently. The most impressive thing about the Luba AWD series is its ability to maintain exceptional root stability, even under adverse satellite signal conditions. This is achieved by combining multiple technologies, such as inertial navigation, odometry, and patented algorithms to ensure optimal performance in any situation. Equipped with 4 global navigation satellite systems, this means it can mow the lawn with unprecedented accuracy, ensuring a pristine look every time. You no longer have to worry about the complexity of lawn maintenance. With Luba AWD, the process is simplified to the maximum, allowing you to enjoy a well-groomed lawn without complications or effort. If you were amazed by what you just witnessed, wait until you see what comes next. I'm sure you'll be just as amazed. LG Puricare Aero Furniture is the perfect fusion of style and functionality, combining an elegant table with a powerful air purifier designed to fit into any space. This innovative product offers a smart solution for improving indoor air quality without sacrificing style. Imagine having a functional table that not only serves as a surface for your daily activities, but also functions as an efficient air purifier. With LG Puricare Aero Furniture, you can enjoy a fresh and clean environment while you work, study, or simply relax at home. This air purifier uses advanced HEPA filter technology to remove up to 99.9% of airborne contaminants, including dust, pollen, smoke, and allergens, creating a healthier environment for you and your family. In addition, its 360-degree suction design provides effective cleaning in all directions, evenly covering the entire room. But the innovation doesn't stop there. LG Puricare Aero Furniture offers ultra-quiet operation, so you can enjoy fresh, clean air without distractions or annoying noise. The next invention will take your expectations to a whole new level. I guarantee it'll be just as impressive. Alsa Step Lift, the one-person elevator designed to avoid climbing stairs, is an innovative and practical solution. For many people, climbing stairs can be a challenging task, and sometimes there isn't an elevator nearby. While stair lifts with seats have been around for some time, they often have drawbacks such as taking up extra space, requiring installation work, or blocking the way of other people while in use. The main advantage of this system is that it doesn't require any installation work. It essentially consists of a cover placed over the staircase banister and contains a personal lifting platform that's only 15 centimeters wide. The lift is discreetly integrated into the side of the banister, so it doesn't obstruct or take up extra space. The push of a button is all it takes to deploy this one-person elevator, ready to take a person up or down. It's fascinating, isn't it? But the next tool is even more exciting. Don't miss what comes next. Much more than just a vacuum cleaner, the SleepEvac Big Kick is an incredible invention that will blow your mind. It's a complete solution for keeping your home clean and tidy, especially in smaller living spaces up to 110 meters squared, 1,200 square feet. Its innovative design combines a powerful vacuum cleaner with convenient 2-in-1 functionality, all in one machine. What makes the SleepEvac Big Kick so special? First of all, its powerful suction ensures a deep and effective cleaning every time it's used. But the best part is this power is hidden and doesn't take up any extra space in your home. You can enjoy thorough cleaning without sacrificing valuable space. Plus, its versatility is unmatched. By simply connecting the flexible hose, you can use it as a traditional vacuum cleaner to clean all areas of your home. But that's not all. The Kickpan provides a quick and convenient solution for disposing of sweepings and kitchen waste. No more broom and dustpan. The Kickpan makes everything much easier. If you thought that was it, think again, because this is just a taste of what's to come. iCaris has been designed with ease of use in mind. Like any extraordinary invention that can leave you speechless, it can be easily installed on your balcony or terrace without any complicated installation. This means that you can enjoy the benefits of solar energy without having to deal with complicated installation processes. With iCaris, you won't miss a single ray of sunshine. Its energy storage system allows you to accumulate solar energy during the day and use it when you need it most. This allows you to maximize the use of solar energy and reduce your dependence on the conventional power grid. By harnessing solar energy with iCaris, you can significantly reduce your long-term energy costs. The ability to store energy allows you to optimize its use, resulting in savings on your electricity bill. iCaris is not only a practical solution, but also an elegant design piece for your balcony or terrace. By installing iCaris on your balcony or terrace, you'll transform your outdoor space into a more functional and sustainable area. In addition to providing clean and renewable energy, iCaris adds a touch of style and modernity to your home. If you thought you'd seen it all, wait until you see what comes next. I'm sure you'll be just as impressed, if not more so. Revolutionizing the way we use water, Flume is an invention that will amaze you. With Flume, you can easily manage, monitor, and conserve this invaluable resource. Installation is quick and easy without the need for a plumber, and it keeps you on top of any leaks, sending you instant notifications so you can act immediately. With Flume, you have complete control over your water use, both inside and outside your home. You can see which appliances or fixtures are using more water and set customized budgets to save. In summary, Flume not only helps you save money, but also allows you to make a positive impact on water conservation, protecting our most precious resource. We hope you liked it, and if you did, give us a like and subscribe. If that wasn't enough, we have more products you'll love.